Are you ready to make money online? Stay tuned because in today's video, you can earn a sum of $100 just by listening to music. You've heard that right. And we will show you how you can effortlessly set this up, so by the end of this video, you'll essentially be a pro and on the way to financial independence. We know that videos involving several websites might be complicated and confusing. But stay with us because this video is especially for beginners who have never made money online. Follow all of the instructions in this video and you will be successful in no time. Before we go further into this video, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We will show you how to make money quickly in a few moments by presenting the best and most effective platforms. So if you are interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. With this new video, keep in mind that we release new content about making money online daily. So make sure you stay tuned whenever we release new content so you can be the first to try it out. Let's get you acquainted with a website that will help you earn quick cash. First, go to Current.us. It is a site with a collection of over 100,000 curated radio stations with which you can listen to and make money with. This method is completely free and you don't need to worry about any hidden charges or investments. It is also available to any country in the world, whether you're from Australia, the Philippines, the United Kingdom, or the United States. However, the best thing is that you can use this app on your computer and mobile devices, and that you can continue making money online or offline. It is now available for download on the Apple App Store if you're using Apple products and on Google Play Store when your gadget is an Android. On this website, you'll earn in terms of points, which you can convert later into real cash. Current is actively adding new ways to generate their in-app points, and several are already in the app. Once you've accessed their website, you might have seen this banner that says, "Play music to generate up to $600 per year." Now in this video, we'll help you double and even triple the amount you can earn in this app. If you fear about Current's legitimacy, know that they have a very high of 4.4 stars out of 5. And these reviews are averaged from a total of more than 100,000 users. At the bottom of your screen, you'll also be able to view some of these reviews, so you don't have any reasons to be worried. As you have seen on their homepage, you can do this strategy while you are on your morning workout, while working, or even sleeping. You can do your everyday chores and the absolute mundane task while the music plays in the background. So now that you've had an idea about this new platform that we'll use, let us proceed with the walkthrough. Pay close attention to the following discussions because we'll give you a lot of tips, including which music you should play and how you'll earn at its maximum potential. Once you have downloaded the Current app, you can proceed with the sign-up process. You don't have to register because you can simply select which social media account you will use. For example, your Google account. This will also make linking your YouTube account to the website more accessible. Combining these two websites will create an automatic income opportunity for you. The next step is to go to their list of radio stations and select YouTube Music and log in with a YouTube account. You'll be taken to the YouTube Music homepage. This is where you can discover lots and lots of music, artists, and playlists with a few recommendations and your favorite tracks. For example, let's click on this playlist right here. It already has a queue of songs you can listen to, and it will play the next track automatically. You can also add more pieces if you wish to, and for every track you finish listening to, you will be paid accordingly. Let us give you the tip number 1. You can click on this icon, which will repeat playing the songs on the playlist once you have gone through all of them, from the first to the last track, and then jump back to the first song again. This will generate money for you again and again. Make sure that you queue up a lot of songs in these playlists. You'll be paid much faster if you have 20 to 30 songs to listen to. Now for tip number 2, if you go back to YouTube Music's homepage, you'll see this hot list of recommended videos. Most of these are newly released, high-quality music videos you can watch. We advise that you click on one of these, and you'll be paid more than the baseline fee. So that is how you can earn points by linking your YouTube account to the Current app. Just make sure you have connected your accounts correctly so that you can earn money just by listening to your favorite tracks. Do you like this video? Don't be shy and hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you find this video helpful and entertaining, share your thoughts with us in the comments below. That's it for the first method, so we'll now proceed to another strategy that will also involve YouTube. And we might as well give you the third tip. Open as many Google tabs as possible. If you have tried browsing YouTube for songs to listen to, you must have seen these hour-long videos of song compilations. It could be from the same album or an artist's greatest hits. You'll be making money effortlessly by simply listening to these and putting them on repeat. You should look for longer videos because that will give you more points. Now back to the tabs I've opened, we want you to open YouTube on each of them and click on different playlists to play. Another tip from us, change the settings to lower video quality to lessen your internet consumption. We recommend the lowest, which is 144p. This will also make listening to all these playlists smoother and more efficient. The fifth tip will involve the settings again, but this time we'll toggle with the playback speed of every video. You can select 2 for the pace, and with 1 being normal. This will mean that the video will play twice as fast. This will also cut the strategy's time in half. And suppose you genuinely want to enjoy listening to a playlist, you can just mute the tabs you don't want to listen to. Then play your favorite tracks in the background with your preferred settings. Just a reminder, always check if you have connected your current account so your effort and time wouldn't be wasted. And now the final tip comes in the form of a browser extension. So the browser extension we'd like to show you is YouTube Playback Speed Control. You can simply install this on any of your browsers and even your phone and then use it for free. Right now they have over 80,000 users all over the world. This platform actually lets you control the speed of your YouTube videos you watch. While the limits of actual YouTube settings only allow you twice the rate, this website extends it 3 times as fast. This can be easily changed using these buttons at the upper right. Click on the plus button to increase speed and the minus button to decrease it. Through this extension, you'll be able to toggle the pace of YouTube music and videos altogether. With all these tools and tips in your hand, you can now go forth and listen to your chosen music and earn while doing anything else. That's all for now. Feel free to watch this video again to serve as a guide as you start to earn money online. What do you think about these websites? Does it seem like an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace primary income jobs in the future? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you love similar concepts like this, make sure to take a look at our other videos. If you like it, please hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated. We'll see you in the following video.